Hi guys, you watching Mr. Fun and I'm Namai. In this video, we'll make a Spider-Man No Way Home latest and greatest web shooter. So for that, let's remove all the components from a lighter. Including all the unnecessary gas that it has.
This is so cold right now.
Then just reassemble it without the white pipe.
Then take our syringe and our finished lighter, just put it right here and load it. Right now our web shoot is loaded, so check that out.
So this is the basic principle that we'll use. So we'll create kind of a really high pressure in the cartridge, and then we'll just release the pressure and it would shoot out. Now we'll paint the necessary components if needed, and we'll get some other components to assemble everything together to form the basic design.
Then we can also grab this premium matte black skin and arrange it with all the stuff we have, and then our shooter will be ready.
So as you can see guys, the web shooter turned out to be great, and especially the launching mechanism is also really nice. And this is the cartridge in which we can see the level of fluid that we have left. And in order to load it, we can just grab the syringe and align it with the top nozzle from which the fluid actually comes out. We need to press this button right here, push it down, and then we can just load the fluid in. This would create a nice suction and also a pressure inside the cartridge that when released would just force the liquid out, and it would just rush out in the form of a web.